Hi, I'm Dr. Regina Trevino, and in this video we're going to talk about sigma notation, which is also called summation notation because the Greek letter sigma denotes sum. The notation has different components. Under sigma, we're going to have an index that tells us where to start adding the values of the variable, on top where to stop, and next to it, what operation, if any, we need to do to the values of the variable before adding them all up. So for example, this formula is asking you to take the first value of x, which we're going to denote with x1, subtract 1 and square it, then add the second value, x2, minus 1 squared, and repeat that for all the n values of x. So the last term is going to be xn minus 1 squared. All right, let's look at an example. Let x be daily sales and assume that you're given the information for 7 days. So the index is going to go from I equal 1 to 7. This tells you, for example, that x1 is 55 and x7 is 90. Just looking at the table, right? Okay, using sigma notation, let's calculate total work week sales. You need to add from I equal 1 to 5 the values of the daily sales. So this means we take x1, then add x2, x3 plus x4, and we stop at x5, right? Next step is simply to look at the corresponding values on the table and plug them in the formula, and that allows us to easily add them up. Total work week sales is 320. Now let's calculate average weekend sales. So we need to start at I equals 6 and stop at I equals 7. We need to add up the daily sales and divide by 2 since we want the average. So this would be x6 plus x7 divided by 2. Look at the corresponding values on the table. 120 plus 90 divided by 2 gives us average weekend sales of 105. So there you have it. That is sigma notation. For more, please look in my book, chapter 3, section 3.2. Thank you.